Eden's Garden Essential Oils presents 3 essential oil cleaning hacks that go viral every summer. Benefits of cleaning with essential oils: natural and toxic-free, highly effective, inexpensive compared to store-bought natural cleaners, puts you in control of what ingredients you use. 3 viral cleaning hacks. Natural floor and surface cleaner, magic DIY grease and gunk remover, garbage disposal bombs. Hack number 1. Natural floor and surface cleaner. What you need: 1/4 cup warm water, 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1 tablespoon Castile soap, 30 drops lemon tea tree essential oil. How to: mix ingredients in a glass spray bottle. Spray onto surfaces and the floor, let sit, then wipe away. Spot check on certain surfaces such as hardwood, granite, and marble before using profusely. Hack number 2. Magic DIY grease and gunk remover. What you need: 4 tablespoons baking soda, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 20 drops bitter orange essential oil. How to: mix ingredients into a paste, apply to dirty surfaces, let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then scrub with a sponge or steel wool. Wipe clean with a damp towel. Hack number 3. Garbage disposal bombs. What you need: 1 cup baking soda, half a cup citric acid, 40 milliliters sunflower carrier oil, 2.5 milliliters natural cleaning essential oil blend. How to: mix dry ingredients, then slowly add the oil and blend. Form into small balls and let them dry overnight. Drop one down your disposal with a little water and turn it on for a refresh. Bonus cleaning recipes: all-purpose protective spray, DIY carpet deodorizer, DIY streak-free glass cleaner. All-purpose protective spray. What you need: 3 ounces distilled water, 1 ounce 190 proof alcohol, 20 drops oregano essential oil, 20 drops lemongrass essential oil, 20 drops tea tree essential oil. How to: combine oils with alcohol in a spray bottle and let sit for a few hours. Add water and shake. Spray and let it sit 2 to 3 minutes before wiping clean. DIY carpet deodorizer. What you need: 1 cup baking soda, 60 drops natural cleaning blend, shaker container. How to: add ingredients to a shaker bottle, sprinkle onto carpets, wait an hour or so, then vacuum. DIY streak-free glass cleaner. What you need: 2 ounces white vinegar, 1 ounce distilled water, 1 ounce 190 proof alcohol, 60 drops natural cleaning blend. How to: combine essential oil and alcohol in a spray bottle and let sit for a few hours before adding vinegar and water. Shake, spray, and wipe away for crystal clear windows. Discover more essential oil DIYs at edensgarden.com.